Welcome back. Today we're going to make some New Orleans BBQ shrimp. Before we get started, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications so you know every time I put out a video, and drop a like. With that being said, let's get in the kitchen and get it done. Right here I have some colossal shrimp with the tail on. If you can, try to get it with the shell on, the easy peel shell. We're going to put those shells to the side to make a shrimp stock. Once we get those peeled, we're going to go in with some garlic infused olive oil. You can use regular olive oil if you like. And the main ingredient for this dish is a ton of black pepper. This dish is a little spicy. Right here I'm going in with some smoked paprika. And some cayenne pepper. A little Old Bay. And your favorite Creole seasoning. All the measurements will be in the description box below. We're going to get in with our hands, get everything incorporated. And we're going to get these in the refrigerator for about an hour. We're going to take those shells that we took off of the shrimp, we're going to get them in a pot here with some butter. We're going to saute them up. And then we're going to add 1 container of chicken stock. Let that come to a boil with some bay leaves for about 20 minutes. And we're going to strain everything out. That's going to make us a nice flavorful shrimp stock. We're going to add the juice of half of a lemon. About 4 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And a few shakes of your favorite hot sauce. Like I said, this dish is a little spicy. Now, shrimp have been marinating for about an hour. We're going to get these into the frying pan. We're going to get our frying pan as hot as possible. We want that frying pan smoking hot. We're going to let these cook on one side for about 2 minutes, and then we're going to flip them over.
Unknown brain. Marvin Divine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about.
Now we're going in with some cold butter.
Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
And we're gonna shake on some rosemary. Probably a good 2 to 3 tablespoons of rosemary. 1 tablespoon of garlic. And we get everything mixed up. And we're going to take our shrimp stock that we made. We're going to add that to this. Let that come to a boil. As soon as it comes to a boil, get your shrimp out. Let it continue boiling until it thickens up. We want to do this to keep our shrimp from being overcooked. Once that thickens up and comes to a nice boil, we add our shrimp back in, and this is what we're looking like. And this dish is done. That's a pretty simple dish. Other than waiting for the shrimp to marinate for an hour, it'll probably take you about 20 minutes to make the entire dish. We're going to take this barbecue shrimp, we're going to spoon it over the top of some rice. Make sure we get some of that delicious gravy on top of the rice.
But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need.
Going in with a little parsley for a pop of color. And this dish is absolutely amazing. Please give it a try. It was absolutely tasty. Little on the spicy side, but lots of flavor. Please don't forget to drop a like. I hope you enjoy this dish. And I will see you next time.